Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the car to ACC or on so the screen is awake. This lets the system broadcast its pairing signal. On your phone, turn Bluetooth on and set it discoverable. This lets the phone find the car. Open the car's Bluetooth or phone menu and choose Add Device or Pair New. Once you select that, watch for the car name to appear on your phone. This first exchange establishes the radios so they can communicate securely. Once the car name appears on your phone, tap it and expect a prompt on the car screen too. You must accept on both ends to proceed. Compare the PIN or passkey shown. Matching numbers confirm you're connecting the correct devices, so accept when they match. Then grant permissions for contacts and media if you want hands-free calling and audio streaming. Once accepted, the car and phone exchange profiles so phonebook and music controls integrate with the screen. After pairing, set the phone as a priority or auto-connect device so future connections are automatic. This saves time on the next drive. Test a call and play audio to confirm microphone and media profiles work and adjust volumes from the car screen. If pairing fails, don't panic. Restart the phone and infotainment system, remove stale pairings on both devices, then retry pairing. This clears conflicts and usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.